Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can sign up our Schwab account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Schwab. After that, click on Login. Now you will see new user option. You have to click on that and click on Start. Now Schwab will ask for your account information and your personal details like date of birth, phone number, social security number and so on. Make sure you enter all of them correctly. After entering them, click on Continue, which will lead you to another page. Mention every details asked and follow the Schwab instruction, which will help you signing up with your account. This is how you sign up with your account. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.